pouring rain here in the push. It's all muddy. And the tent is soaked.
The cloud trail. This guy goes here today. Oh, he doesn't see right through me. I really wish that I knew how to swim. What's going on, buddy?
Currently in Seattle, the land of edgelords, and Per's trying to fit in. There's just one more thing you're gonna need as well to go with that man bun. Oh my god, you're edgy. You must be from Seattle, you must live here permanently.
Yeah, I only dine in any coffee shops that have over 150 Yelp ratings, but are 4 stars, because 5 stars is mainstream.
Oh, true, true.
I only drink black coffee now. I find like sugars and stuff just too mainstream. Everyone's doing it.
Day 11.
10 or 11.
10 or 11.
No, it's 11. No, 10. 10 because we left on a Monday.
Alright.
We're in Seattle, gonna go find some Mr. Coffee. We all look like edgelords, and we totally look like people walk here, which is fucking horrible.
Is it true Lincoln Park is from Seattle?
I don't know, but that seems right.
Fun fact, Seattle experiences 20 sunny days per year, and of all 20 of those, they're all still edgy.
I think I'm gonna be interested in
Is that your bay?
Nah, I'll find Bay. Not Bay. Not Bay. No, that's Bay. This is Bay.
Yeah, got them all from the 70s, 80s, 90s. It's like masturbating in a time machine. It looks like a movie scene right now. Fresh off the first edgelord Seattle purchase. So what do we got here?
Nice. 1938 light cover.
Very nice, very edgy too. Are you gonna open that up or just leave it in the packaging? That's pretty edgy. Good job. Crushed in Seattle. Great job on that edginess, guys. You look really edgy with those black jeans and boots, and you look really edgy with those ripped jeans and muscle shirt and man bun.
The thing about Seattle is I can't tell what they have. It's like everyone is either homeless or just being edgy. Like
that's true. That's an actual problem.
Were homeless, and someone who like wasn't homeless, but it took us a minute to figure that out because he was in ripped everything and just like fashion, but like fashionably ripped.
Now we have now arrived.
Edginess tip. If it's 25 degrees out, you have to dress in a sweater, jeans, and boots. If it's negative, yeah. If it's 0 degrees out, you have to dress in full shorts, short shorts, tank top, and either sunglasses or a baseball cap.
Sounds good.
And sandals. Sandals are a key part.
Okay, so we're cooking hot dogs in a motel outside of the Cascades in Washington.
Yep.
We have our shit in the fridge. We have about 30 things charging all at the same time. Where is it? My camera is sitting here in rice because it got so wet yesterday in La Push. Pereira's on his phone. Connor's cooking hot dogs. We're literally using fucking propane right now on our camping stove. This is what the road trips come to, but tomorrow we're going to Lake 22 and Diablo Lake. And it's gonna be fucking awesome. You know, I thought we left Seattle to get away from the edgelords, but little do you know, Tristan Pereira has followed in their footsteps and become one of them. Let's see the outfit, man. Let's see it. Give us a... Oh my goodness. So down here, we've got some sweet combat boots, obviously. Got some ripped jorts, long tee, and overall just like a not giving a fuck vibe.
What time? Don't give a shit, man.
Just going on a hike, we're in leather. No big deal, Seattle, bro. So we finally broke 30 degrees, and for some reason we're in the mountains and it broke 30 degrees. Couldn't break it. Just Any other place like in Nebraska, nope, no, it had to be -1 there. Here in the mountains of Washington, 30 fucking degrees. Hell yes. So happy. I'm just showing off the hacky sack skills first. Ready? Oh, check this out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh shit.
One more try. Come on, let's start hiking. It's gonna be a long time. At your local fishman. At your local bike park kid. And I'm too edgy to be on camera. At your local edgelord.
We'll show outfits. This is Jericho right here. Straight out of the Kale Salad Marketplace. My name's Brody. I work at the local bike park on the weekends. And right here we have Faramir just finished defending Osgiliath from the orcs.
Just out here, it's the mountains. Casual morning, you know, wake up, climb a mountain. Happens. Got Connor over there, exploring the wilderness. Look closely, he's actually, he's related to Bear Grylls. It's a very majestic, if you see him in the wild. You could usually tell him by the bright red shoes. You can't startle him. Out here in Lake 22, just did about a 2.7 mile hike. Most of us are dying, couldn't feel our legs. Climbed through some snow. Connor's out here getting this Polaroid, just gramming. And we're just enjoying the beautiful view. Might go for a swim, I always want to freeze to death. And yeah, just going to Diablo Lake. Next is going to be pretty lit. And I look like a golf lake tumbler boy. I mean, that's okay.
That is true.
Golf lake tumbler boy. I also went full tourist, another panorama.
We're at Diablo Lake. Just did a bunch of cool pictures. Shot Connor's album cover, so he better release one.
Write a song, I would.
Now, storm is a-brewing.
Yeah.
Right now, it's getting windy. Oh, I almost lost my hat. Prayer would be happy about that, wouldn't he?
Isn't that right, Prayer?
So, next tunnel. Ready? Ready? Once again, survived.
To be able to like step out and like boom, there's Times Square.
Yeah.
We had a good trip. I wouldn't take it back because I had a lot of fun. Do wish that we had gained a little bit more of the city.
Thousands of people take the same picture of it every single day. You being there is completely different than that. You're never going to be in that spot. And then the other thing I love is just interacting with the people there and seeing how similar they are to you, even though they're on a completely different side of the planet.
Yeah.
Or how different they are because of that.
I like the fact that when we're hiking and stuff, anytime you pass someone, they're always friendly. They're just like, hi, how are you? Where are you from? And everyone's very kind and helpful along the hike. Nobody's introverted, not wanting to talk to anyone unless they're super tired and just being focused. Most people are up to talk, find out what's going on. Just a good kind of community of people. We're all here to see the same thing and experience this off the beaten path kind of thing. We're up at the hot springs with some cool people who really just wanted to stay to themselves because they were in bathing suits and didn't want to talk to a bunch of teenagers.
Yeah.
But there was also people there who were just interested in what everyone had to say.
I like that.
Mountain with wisps of smoke just going across the mountain.
Welcome to Lake McDonald. Man, you got service. I don't have service here. My phone's not even in my pocket. Look, it's in my pocket. It's a lens cap.
Behavioral test the Connor's natural balance skills. Oh, he does not like this. Does not like it.
He cries out in fear of the cold. Careful.
Coming out of hibernation.
This
Very
time
good
of
to see.
year.
Look at that. Motor skills in perfect effect.